day that is well anticipated by everyone in the U.S. is today, Thanksgiving. But two winter storms blasted the U.S., stranding motorists and causing thousands of flight delays. Millions of people have been soaked by downpours, left in the dark and forced to shovel snow as powerful storms barrel through much of the U.S. ahead of, in fact, this big day. A combination of snow, rain and high wind has 32 states under some sort of watch, warning or weather advisory. The intense storm has affected over 55 million people's travel plans. Slick roads and fog caused a massive pile-up in Washington state. Roads have been blocked, temporarily closed, while the snowstorm shows no sign of abating. Storms packing heavy snow and hurricane force winds wreaked havoc as well, with snow is in fact falling at an unprecedented rate. It's possibly the biggest November fall ever. Highways in the west and Midwest were closed because of snow in Oklahoma City. The storm forced cancellation of over hundreds flights in the region. A major highway linking California and Oregon fully reopened. This came after nearly 24 hours after a major storm blew in fact, off the Pacific Ocean and slammed the region with heavy snow. The storm is being called as bomb cyclone, that is being called worst storm in the past 15 to 20 years. On your screens there are the visuals of the satellite image of the storm that is not only in fact, ruining all the celebration, but also starting to be a threat. This pair of storm is leaving tens of thousands without power in the United States.